Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll show you how to delete groups in WhatsApp. So let's start. Well, to delete a group in WhatsApp, start by opening WhatsApp and then navigating to the chat screen. If you've created a group and you want to delete it, slide the group to the left, select More, and then select Exit Group. To fully delete the group, remove all members from the group by selecting them and then choosing Remove from the group. Once all members are removed, exit the group, and a new option will appear at the bottom of the group settings, which is Delete Group. Select that option to delete the group permanently, and there you go. The group on WhatsApp is already deleted. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.